Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as it is very important for everyone to do exercise these days, at the same time it is equally important for everyone to do mobility exercises first of all as well. Because since you are not doing mobility exercises before performing any of the strength training or cardio exercises, you are very close to injuries. You can get injured while performing any of the activity. So we'll be starting with lower body mobility exercises. So first of all, I am going to mobilize my hip flexor muscle. I'll be performing 10 repetition of each movement. So in this particular exercise, I am mobilizing my hip flexor muscle. Now in this particular movement, I am mobilizing my groin muscle, which is this muscle basically. And in this exercise, I am covering up all the hamstring muscles. I am mobilizing them. So whenever it comes to load bearing, so hamstring is a muscle which helps in that a lot. Exercise, I am actually mobilizing my glute medius muscle. I'll be performing 10 repetition of this particular movement as well. Now I'll be repeating all 4 exercises with my right leg as well. Again, I am starting with the hip flexor muscle. Again, I am activating my groin muscle, which is very sensitive muscle and it is very prone to injury as well. So you should always mobilize this muscle before performing any movement in the gym. Again, I am activating my hamstring muscles. Hamstring is basically a load bearing muscle. So yeah, quadriceps muscle generates the power, but the load is bared by your hamstring muscle. So it is very important to mobilize your hamstring muscle as well. Again, I am just mobilizing my glutes muscle. Alright, now I will be performing few movements to actually mobilize my hip. I'm also mobilizing my abductor in this particular movement as well. Again, I'll be focusing on hip mobility because while you're performing any sort of workout which is related to your legs, like which engage your leg a lot, so you should always focus on hip mobility a lot. Make sure you are performing 10 repetition of each movement to get the better results. Alright, now I'll be covering up lower back mobility. So I'll be starting with camel cat. Very good exercise to mobilize your back muscle, basically lower back. Now I'll be mobilizing my upper back muscles as well. Same with left leg, left hand. Alright, now I'll be mobilizing my shoulder muscles. Make sure you perform 10 repetition of each movement. Mobilizing my scapula muscle. Now we'll be performing few neck movements as well, neck mobility basically. It is very important for all those people who are having cervical pain or having stiffness in their muscles of their neck. So yeah, we can start with this normal one. Neck rotation. You can perform it clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Then you can also do them sideways. and up and down. Now I'll be covering few dynamic stretches as well. Like for me particularly, I always have stiffness in my lower back, so I generally perform few dynamic stretching as well before doing my workout, so that I should not get injured while performing the exercises, because generally the exercises which I am doing consist of more of explosive strength. So yeah, I need to keep a check that I am mobilizing my lower back muscles a lot. Also targeting my hamstring muscle in this. Alright, so yeah, in this whole session I have covered mobility session, that is your upper body mobility and lower body mobility as well.